Guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and today is the release day for Sunny Studio. So I'm going to share the new release with you. Lots of cute new stamps and dies. For a limited time, my free shipping requirement for US orders is $35, and you can use my coupon code Jamie for 10% off your order. For your free with 60, you'll get the Sunny Studio See You Soon stamp set. So this will pop into your cart once your order qualifies. Super cute little shark, this little octopus and a little fish. You get some bubbles and a splash, and the sentiment, see you soon. There is also a coordinating die that you can purchase. The next smaller set is called Grad Cat. Great for graduation cards. You get the book. There's a little star, a couple of stars, a little bow, an exclamation point, and the sentiments, congratulations for congratulations. The time is meow, and then meow did it. Can make some cute graduation cards with that. And then one for dad. We've got for the best dad I ever saw. And this is called Tool Time. You nailed it and congrats. And then one for mom. This one is the Terrific stamp set. So perfect for mom, sister, or friend. You're terrific. You get the little smiley face. And then there's some dots and half dots to add polka dots to your teapot there. Couple of new dies here. So this is the stitched semicircle die. So these are perfect to add a little mat behind your images, create a little scene within the window. So you could have this as a window or as a shape on your card. It also comes with that little cute tag. You can turn it around and create a fishbowl. So that's very cool. And this one is called Stitched Arc die. So same with this one. You can create tags or a window on your card. This little one here is a little tag, but you can also use that as an awning piece and create a little awning for a sweet shop. And this one here is called Frilly Frames Harrington Bone. Very pretty. So all their frilly frames coordinate together. The inside piece comes out and you can switch them among the frames, which is really fun. So this one's really pretty. It does cut the inside here so you can make a little frame, and it has stitching on the outside. For their large set, we've got Sealicious Sweet, which is a really cute one. I love all these little seals. They all are playing, doing something fun in the sun. We've got some really cute sentiments. A Celius, awesome birthday. Sealed with a kiss, seal of approval. We've got little sentiments here to build up a sentiment for you. We also have coordinating die to cut out all the parts. Super, super cute. We've got Savannah Safari. So we got some cute safari animals. Love that little giraffe with his squinty eyes. We've got sentiments. Thanks. I love you a ton. Hope your day is wild. Have a, and then we've got a, I think that says Hippo Birthday. There's a little safari tree and some plants. And then we have the coordinating die. The next one here is called Summer Sweets. So you got some nice treats there. A soda pop, a boba tea, a sundae, an ice cream sandwich, a shake, a little soft serve ice cream, a couple of popsicles there. There's a cherry, there's cute little faces you can add to the images. There's a little orange to make this into an orange soda. There's your little soda, sentiment there, and then all these sentiments here to create some fun punny sentiments. So delightful. Congratulations. Bestie. Hey cutie. And then there's some little coordinating sentiments to go with that. And then a coordinating die is available. And this one coordinates very well with that one. So you can kind of stretch your scene there with these two. This is called Cruisin' Cruisin'. And then this one features this ice cream truck or sweet treat truck. We've got donuts, ice cream, hot dogs, your hamburger and fries, some sushi, and then your sentiments here: Frank's Treats, you're the burger, to my fries. You could say have a soy happy day, sweet donut, don't worry, be happy. You can just have a lot of fun with these sentiments. We've got little ones here that you can stamp on the truck: Speedy Eats, or on top of the hot dog if you want to have these up on the top of the truck here as the big sign. We've got food, dude, cruisin' truck, shop, sweet, burger, bus, lunch. So you could create a little company name or something like that. And then this is the coordinating die for the stamp set. And then we have Potted Rose. So this is a beautiful layering stamp set, and you can use this with the layers, create a nice dimensional pot, or you can use this one and just color it in. You can also think about cutting out the inside after you stamp it and creating a shaker inside your pot. I just had an idea what would be so cool. So cut the inside of your pot to create a window, and then color in dirt on the inside, and then put like a little worm in there or something. So it's kind of like revealing what's underneath the pot. Or like you can even draw in the little the roots of the plant. It's a cool idea. Just popped into my head there. So we've got hello friend, a warm hello, and hello there. And then we've got this really pretty flower, which is a layering flower, and it's got the leaves. And then this is the coordinating die for that one. Then we have Radiant Plumeria, and this is their layering stamp set. Really, really pretty flower. Perfect for summer. And then we've got these tropical leaves. I love this big summer sentiment here, and you can pair it up with these summer smiles, happy summer, summer greetings, welcome summer, summer fun. And then it has all the numbers on here so you know which ones to layer up first: A, B, and C. And then there is a coordinating die for that. This one's really great. This is the Tropical Scene stamp set, which goes perfect with a lot of stamps you already have from Sunny Studios. So we've got an ocean ground, which would be perfect for the mermaid one, or the shark, or the fish one. We've got the island here, perfect for the flamingos, the pirates. Then there's this one, which is like a tropical jungle where you can have the monkeys hanging off of there, or the sloths. Just really, really fun. Perfect for her stamps. Love that. And then this is the coordinating die for that one. And then I did bring in the circular acrylic stamping block. This is the 3 1/8. Nice big stamping block with grips on the side and a grid. And then this is the 2 3/8. And they're very nice, high quality. They're nice and heavy. So that is the new release from Sunny Studios. Super, super fun, super cute. I hope you guys have fun crafting, and thanks for shopping in my shop. and I will talk to you in the next video. Take care, guys.